All right, boys. All right, let's get into it. This is what I took today, along with another one, but we'll get into that. Here's the P&L. I took that one you guys just saw on these two accounts, and on this account was that's right here. I took some executions. I think I took this long. I don't know, but whatever it was, I fucking printed. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was selling right here. I was about to take a short right here, and instead I was like, wait, what am I doing? This is a long. So this is the first time I flipped a position in so long, bro. I flipped it not super negative, and then I sold up here. Damn, that's a pretty good trade. I took it. I wanted to take it to the 5 minute. All right, let's get into the day though. Let's go through my bias. What led to what? If we're looking on the 4 hour here, let's go back. Time. Alright. My bias for the day. What do we do on these types of days where we're just in this slow, choppy consolidation, the markets aren't feeling great, this price action sucks, right? Well, we're just gonna look at what's high time frame, super high time frame. We're inside of a daily gap. We use this daily gap to move up previously. We're inside a weekly gap too, so we're gonna expect some nuts consolidation, some retaps. So let's move lower. This is hideous. What can we see? Okay, we have low resistance liquidity right here. Okay, we have more down here. So we could be either. We could be, I had a neutral bias. We have some draws higher, but those are 300 points, 400 points. I'm not going over there. Alright, boom. A 15-minute gap. This was my main condition. I mean, I woke up late. I woke up at 9:32, but still, this is my condition, This gets took already. And then I had this low, I think, marked out. Well, I guess not, because it would have been marked out on my thing. Alright. And there's not really many draws higher. There's a 5-minute draw higher. Right here. Alright. So, let's see what happens on just a 5-minute. Something that I would have liked to see is just respecting this 15-minute gap, and we could have gone a short lower. That would have been nice. But no, what we did, we fly open off open. And the other thing about these types of opens, where they just absolutely pump in one direction, disregarding everything that the market has to counter it with, completely disrespects everything that it should be disrespecting, or that it shouldn't be disrespecting. It's probably going to keep moving in that direction. So here was the first opportunity, was a pullback in this 3-minute for a long, which I would have taken, but we didn't get it. We ended up right here. I think I was about to short right here, and then I was like, yeah, right here. I think I entered for a short, and then we got this clean 1-minute or 30-second inverse with the CISC coming from a 1-minute gap, also like equilibrium. So I took that and I fucking printed. Um, and then now we're moving around in this 5 minute gap, you know? We're inside of a 5 minute gap. What draws do we have? There's not many, so we have to kind of create them. So we create a 15 minute, probably to move us up higher. Do I care that it's helping us move up higher? No, I care that it's there. So what's the highest? And we have a perfect, nice remanipulation leg. What's the highest time frame in inverse on this new manipulation leg? This is 3 minutes. I didn't take that though, just because that was ugly. I don't remember what I took. I remember I took like a 30-second pullback or 15-second pullback. I don't remember. But as you can see, we printed. We had this 2 minute in the way. This was a 1 minute, but I mean, when you have these little gaps on the way to the big gap, they're not really gonna play much part because what are they protecting? They're protecting something much bigger than it, that is much stronger than it, that is much greater of a pull than the little 2 minute gap has to push. You know, so we're gonna take that trade. You know, like, and now along from this 15 minute gap is probably good. It's good. I bet that there's probably a long presenting itself. Or I'm lying. Yes, I am lying. Alright, I mean, well, anyways, alright. Just because, I mean, most of the time that these days, the markets are fucking dog shit, you know? You gotta still find a way to win, and you still gotta find a way to, like, come out on top. But, bro, you can't let all that noise get into your head, you know? Like, these gaps. I don't have to wait for the inverse. There's a 15 minute gap right here. This could cause a reversal. It's just coincidentally now it didn't cause a reversal, and we're retargeting this 5 minute gap from previously, or the 3 minute gap. But like these are the things like I can't control that happened, you know. But I'm glad that I was able to profit from it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Alright. Well, I hope that you guys learned something from this. Fuck yeah.